Alright guys, I'm back with chapter 14. Sorry about the last one. The last one took it so long because I tried killing every regenerator for the wrench, but sadly, the one with the wrench was the last regenerator, so I was really upset with that. Anyways, there's a lot to say about this chapter. There's so many enemies I'm going to kill, but good news is I've been saving up the grenades the whole time just to use on the wall for the wrecking ball area. See, yeah, I could get past there without using the handgun. Krauser's fight, I didn't want to waste bullets, so I had to use my knife, in fact, just to fight Krauser. And yeah, let me so that. Okay, let me try upgrading it. Perfect. Yes, my knife is unbreakable. Okay. And yeah, but the final fight of Krauser's fight, where Krauser is mutated, I'm gonna use my handgun there. So yeah, you can definitely beat Krauser with the handgun only. But for these parts, this is gonna suck. Oh, I'm so happy I can do this. Okay. I want him to come here. Perfect. Oh, it feels so good to do. Okay, let's take this. I really don't want to waste ammo. Okay, so yeah, there's some enemies I really have to kill. Okay, so like you, however, I have to kill you. Okay. Okay. No. Perfect. Okay, you're both dead, right? Oh, thank God. The good news is for the regenerator in this chapter, I can avoid the first one. The second one... Wait, wasn't there a second one? Actually, no, there isn't. Okay. Yeah, the first one, I'm just gonna shoot... I'm gonna just shoot his leg off, so I have a chance of running past it. The second one, I don't need a fight. Okay, now I have to kill these guys. Right here. Oh my God. Hurry. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding. Okay. Thank you for being honest, Ashley. Thank you. Okay. Now let me shoot you down. Finish you off. Okay, I'm not wasting any more bullets. Nope, not wasting any more bullets on the way. Okay. So yeah, you don't need to see Krauser's fight. I already know I can defeat Krauser with just the handgun. Okay, so hopefully you get past these guys. Ashley, please don't mess this up for me. Ashley, you better be in this water. Oh, thank God. Okay. Okay, this is the regenerator room. Okay. So far, this is going better than I thought. Ashley, thank you. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I cannot wait to beat this challenge. Oh, wait, there's another grenade in here. Oh, get the grenade. Oh, thank you. 5 grenades. I'm gonna use 3 of them. Okay, I got a plan, Ashley. What is this? Ashley, I always got a plan. I always got a plan. Where is he? Oh, dear God. Go. Go, Ashley. Oh, my God. Where is he? No. Ashley. Oh, my God, get ready. Press it! Go! Yes! Oh, my God, Ashley. Thank God. Okay, this is actually going way better than I thought. Oh, wait, I have to kill 4 guys here. I have to kill 4 guys here because... because they're gonna grab Ashley. Okay. I better do this successfully without wasting a bullet. Because I want to wait. I want a lot of bullets away. I need them for Krauser. For these 4 guys. The beginning chapter 15 when Mike arrives, and then Sadler. Because I just do not like wasting bullets in challenges. Okay. Perfect. Alright, this is going well. This is going well. Because, oh geez, chapter 13 was not going well. Okay, this better be something good. No, it isn't. Ooh, I'll take the fish. I'll take the fish all day. Another healing item. Perfect. Now let's use it. Now let's go ahead and flip this. Here we go. Okay, let's make sure they die. Perfect. He's not dead. Yes! Oh, thank God. I'm not fighting this one. I'm not fighting this one. I'm not gonna fight any more regenerators. I'm tired of them. Oh, thank God. Okay, thank God this could be the last puzzle. Ashley? Now. Thank God. Okay. Okay, do that. And this. And that. Yes! Oh my God, my memory's so good. Alright. Let's get rid of the grenades. 5 grenades. That is very interesting. I think these were all the grenades I've gotten away. No, I'm not fighting you. He's gonna grab me for sure. My luck is real. Grab that. No, I don't need it. Okay, I'm gonna need one of these. No, 2. Actually, 1, 2. Okay, do that. Save it. Okay, drop down. Wait, I didn't press X to catch Ashley. Okay. I'm just gonna grab here. No, I don't need a cutscene. Now go here. Go behind. Throw 3 grenades. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now save the last 4. And shoot this just in case. Yes! Oh my God. Okay, Ashley. All you need to do is get out of there. Ashley. 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 You are joking. Okay, get rid of that. Wow, how convenient. Go! No! Oh my God, they're so gonna grab her. Okay, press that. Okay. You cannot do that. That's not fair. That's not fair, and you know it. Okay. No, if that kills Ashley. Here we go. Watch this. Okay. Nope. Nope. Ashley. Ashley. Yes! Ah! If that actually gets me. Alright, I'll see you guys in chapter 15. See you later, guys.